Today is October 8 and it's my birthday, and I filed a leave sa work just because it's my birthday, but at the same time I want to rest. Today I plan to bring you guys with me sa mga gagawin ko ngayong araw, and meron akong mga activities in mind. First is dadalhin ko yung kotse ko sa kasa dahil kailangan ko siyang ipatingin, ipa-estimate dahil nabangga ako before and yung damage nung i-claim ko sa insurance. But I am not sure if magagawa na ba siya today dahil sabi nila kailangan pa raw i-estimate ulit, and titingnan pa kung available yung parts. So titingnan natin kung anong mangyayari. Also later today, hindi ko pa sure kung anong activity yung gagawin ko to celebrate my birthday with my loved one. So we'll see. For today's outfit is this mustard sweatshirt and this black cargo pants from Shopee. Links will be in the description. Nga pala guys, at the moment, ito yung skincare routine ko. It's from Hello Glow. This is their Blemish Miracle Set. AHA, BHA siya na mga products. So, meron siyang cleanser, meron tayong toner, and serum and cream. Parang spot cream, ganyan. And may kasama din siyang soothing gel, rose water soothing gel. So ito yung ginagamit ko for over a week now, and ang ganda ng products na to. Feels really premium, yung mga Korean products na parang talagang alam mong legit. AHA, BHA set siya, pero pwede siyang gamitin araw-araw because very mild yung formulation niya. Using this pre-styler para sa buhok ko by Man, para mas maganda yung pagsaset ng buhok ko using the clay or hair pomade product na gagamitin ko. And then gagamitin ko itong Purple Lean na pomade. This is oil based pomade, and this is doing good for me in terms of sa hold, yung firmness ng hold ng buhok ko sobrang solid. Ito yung favorite ko ngayon currently. And today's fragrance is one of my favorites, Sergio Atwase. It's bright, it's fresh, it's woody. This is gonna be my birthday scent. And finishing today's outfit, lalagyan natin ng konti accessories. I'm gonna be using this. It's a photochromic and anti-radiation glasses that I got from Shopee. Link will be in the description. It's anti-blue light at the same time, photochromic, so parang nag-adjust yung lens kapag mainit yung araw. So guys, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na damage yung sasakyan. There. Yan. So, medyo basag po yan, kaya i-claim natin sa insurance. Ang tanong, may parts ba sila, magagawa ba nila, aalamin natin. So, aalamin natin kung may parts ba sila nung dapat palitan, and if kukunin na ba nila to today. Although preferably gusto ko sana hindi mo na nila kunin kasi may mga importante pa akong gagawin. But again, we'll see. Today is slightly gloomy weather. Hindi sobrang mainit, pero hindi ko alam kung uulan ba, parang hindi naman. Sana hindi, sana ganyan lang siya. So guys, update. Sobrang traffic pala. Akala ko hindi traffic yung time ng labas ko. Traffic din sa C5. So hindi ko alam kung aabot ako on time. Ilang minutes na lang magsasara na yung kasa. Gaano ako ka-late? Yung kasa daw is hanggang 4 PM. Andito ako ngayon sa E-Road C5, 3:32 PM. Although malapit na siya, kaya lang sobrang traffic. Tagal ko na dito, kanina pa ako rin dito. Sana umabot. Sayang yung lakad ko. Here we are guys. Nakapasok naman ako. Although, titignan pa natin kung ma-accommodate ako. Sana. Dito tayo sa Casa Toyota Pasig. Tingnan hindi ko lang sino kakausapin ko. Let's go. Chip, saan ako pupunta? Sa?
Nakapark na Bios sa likod.
Nakapark na view sa likod. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Ito yung 2021 model ng Wigo. Sayang di ko inabutan. Trivia guys. Alam nyo ba na nung kinuha ko yung Wigo ko, after 2 months lumabas yung model na yan. Nakakainis di ba? Hay nako. Anyway, let's go home. So, sabi nila, dadaling ko ulit dito pag ready na akong iwan. Actually, pwede ko na daw iwan, kaya lang may kailangan kasi akong paggamitan ng sasakyan today and tomorrow. Sabi ko babalik ko na lang sa kanila next week. Tapos iiwan ko na siya doon para makakuha na sila ng parts. So at least nakaabot ako dito, and also nalaman natin na hindi ko pa siya iiwan. So kasama ko pa rin siya pauwi. I'm gonna head back home, probably have dinner with family. Let's go.
Happy birthday, Boo. Yes. Happy birthday.
Alright guys, ito na ang hinihintay nyo. Announcement of the 8 lucky winners para sa ating birthday giveaway. But before I announce yung 8 lucky winners, of course marami nag-join sa simpleng katawaan natin na giveaway. Of course, I'd love to celebrate my birthday with you guys. But of course, 8 lang yung mapipili natin for this giveaway. And with that, of course, we wanna be fair. Gumamit ako ng random online comment picker. So, para at least random because yun nga, we wanna be fair to everyone. So, kung di kayo mapili, better luck next time. Marami pa naman tayong darating na mga giveaways. I-flash ko sa screen para makita nyo na random yung ating pagpili talaga. So, i-announce ko isa-isa based sa pagkakasunod-sunod. Which is first, Luxodor Prince. Second, Loyal Agar. Third is Adidas Pure Game. Fourth is Nautica Voyage. Fifth is Lombe Ikla. 6 is Pleasure Intense. 7 is Oud Exquisite. And 8 is the Basilius. Dahil dyan, simulan na natin ang announcement. For our first winner ng Luxodor Prince 30ml is, of course hindi ko alam yung pangalan nyo, so makita nyo naman sa screen yung username nyo. So pag nakita nyo yung pangalan nyo, just DM me after this announcement. First winner natin is Bradley Ligo. Ayan, so siya ang ating first winner of Luxodor Prince 30ml. Congratulations sa'yo. For our next winner, wala pa tayong drum roll dyan. Lalagay tayong drum roll. Yon, si Vampire Boy. Yan, ang ating second winner. And yung price niya is gonna be Luxodor Loyal Agar 30ml. Right, so congratulations Vampire Boy. The third winner natin. Illusion. Ganda ng ganda ng pangalan. Illusion, siya ang ating winner for Adidas Pure Game 100ml. Yan, so congratulations sa'yo, Illusion. Creative ng pangalan niya. Next, for our fourth item. Yan, binobola. Okay, si Jerry.Espe ang ating fourth winner of, which is the item is Nautica Voyage. Yan, maraming may gusto nito. So congratulations sa'yo, Jerry Espe, for winning Nautica Voyage. Panibagong bola. Parang bingo. And our fifth winner is Bernzo, ang ating winner ng fifth item, which is, ito, Lonve Ikla Derpage. Ayan, siya ang winner. Alam ko marami naggusto nito. So, congratulations sa'yo, Bernzo. Yan, for winning Lonva Ikla. Yan. Congratulations. Let's go to our sixth item, which is Pleasure Intense. Congratulations, it's me, Rainiel. Okay, it's me, Rainiel. Ikaw ang nanalo sa Symmetry Lab Pleasure Intense. Yan. Congratulations sa'yo, kapatid. Our seventh winner. Ayan na, binobola. Herville. Okay? Herville, if you're watching, congratulations. Sa'yo ang Oud Exquisite. Alright? So, congratulations. Yan. And last but not the least is Jonel. Jonel, sa'yo ang pupunta si Basilius. So, congratulations sa'yo. So, ayun na. Congratulations to all the winners. Salamat sa pag-join ninyo. Sa mga hindi napili sa giveaway na to, okay lang yan. Marami pa tayong giveaway paparating. Better luck next time. And for those who were chosen, DM me on Instagram right now after watching this video para pag-usapan natin on how I can send the items sa inyo. So again guys, thank you for joining me sa aking birthday vlogs. Thank you for always supporting me, supporting this channel. Thank you so much. I think I will end this video now. Again, salamat. I hope everyone is safe, and as always guys, I will see you in my next video. Peace out!